Oh, that's pretty good. Wait.
Weak.
Wait. You have food in your teeth.
Hey Pila fam, welcome to this week's Cookin' and Compostin'. I'm Haley, registered dietitian with Okanagan Nutrition here in Kelowna, and this is Kate.
Just Kate.
Works at Pila and is also a book club member with
Yes.
Book Club.
Haley and I are part of a book club, but the most important book that you should get is actually Haley's cookbook, which she's really shy about.
What a
so
plug.
It's a good plug. There's about 30 different recipes in it, so
All plant-based, vegan friendly.
plug. Available on the App Store. Actually, it's not available
No,
there.
I'm very simple and I only have a blog.
Is it not
I
on
have-
iTunes?
No, Linktree.
It's on Linktree. I have done every recipe in this book.
So today what we're gonna make is a really refreshing peach raspberry agua fresca. So picture yourself laying by the pool with this. Maybe spike it with a bit of rum, you never know.
Okay.
But kid friendly naturally, so let's get
go.
started. We just have about a cup of raspberries. We're gonna sweeten it with just a little bit of maple syrup. We have some ice, about 1 lime that we're gonna use the juice of, and 2 peaches. I was lucky enough, we're just coming into peach season here in the Okanagan. These are still a little bit early, but they should work. Kate did do the honors of peeling the first one and broke the peeler. And now Pila needs a new peeler. I love when peaches, like when they're actually ripe, how the skin just falls off.
Can you ever like rub it in your hands just to like get it to come off that way? Is that weird? Or-
I mean, it's unsanitary.
Got your back.
Boom.
I got your back. Had an amazing weekend in the woods this winter at this remote cabin, which is amazing, but every girl had to bring their own dish, and it had to be plant-based because we had some vegans in the crowd. So those of us who aren't plant-based had a really good challenge ahead, but
Yeah.
it was delicious. Food was so good.
That's another thing. People always think that you're restricted with plant-based eating or being like vegan eating, vegan recipes, but
Right.
it like forces you to explore.
Yeah.
Tess, fellow vegan
our
over there.
videographer, is vegan actually, which we respect.
Yeah.
How am I doing here thus far?
Oh yeah, you overdid it, but that's okay. We're gonna add all the ingredients but the ice. So we'll just dump raspberries, the 2 peaches, 1 lime. Put those in our little compost bin. I'm gonna just add most of it.
That's all of it. I feel like let's do a little bit. Like that's good. Okay. Oh, there we go.
You did it. I haven't been able to do it this whole entire time. We're gonna add ice now. There's a frozen drink option. All right, so we're just gonna pour those out. Ooh, it's kind of like a really,
Cheers.
cheers.
Ooh. Oh yeah, that is.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's like tart at the end. Not too sweet.
It's really smooth too. I expected it to be chunkier, but it's like, yeah, it's like very hydrating. It's like a little frothy, which is nice too.
Yeah.
So it's like a little bit heartier to it and not just like watered down.
It would be good, like a little bit diluted with like something sparkling. Like I think you want to make it alcoholic.
Yeah, you could put like a champagne might make it a little too sweet though.
That's true. Prosecco's not super,
Prosecco
super,
would be
super
better,
sweet.
yeah.
It's like a little bit dry.
Yeah.
That's it for this week, everyone. Hope you enjoyed. Give it a go. Relax by the pool. Cool yourself off. Let us know what you think.